will see how to make the egg laying thing for the finches. See, first initially take two hold pots, same buying like for lovebirds. Then take the dried grass and then some other coconut wastages, something else, and then take like this, like small partitioned one, small partitioned one. Take likewise and then make some the dried grasses to small things. It will make, but the birds by itself will make, but you to make it somewhat smaller. And then first initially insert the coconut waste over at the bottom and then fill with the dried grass, fully surrounding, and keep the hole open because the bird has to enter. So if we keep heavy, if it doesn't need, it will throw away. So don't worry, keep filled. Also keep some grass at the bottom. Okay, then with the second one we are filling same with the grasses at the bottom and then fill with the dried grass. And make the hole open for the bird to enter, friends. That's it, friends. You can set in the cage. Let's go and set it. See, now we have fitted the parts for the finches.